Beshies! Good morning! Today it's October 3 and we couldn't wait for this day to come because we wanted to go out. By the way, Beshies, how do you like my look? My Korean look? By the way, I'm using this Peach Farm palette shadow. Peach Farm eyeshadow palette from Etude. So, if you Beshies are interested, it's on sale actually, like 50% off. The original price was 140 Saudi Riyals and I just got it for 70. So it's 50% off, right? See, I'm good with math. And it's time to go wear my abaya and see my baby Beshies. And we are going to Ikea and we to have French toast and Belgian waffles. Hey, brother. Belgian waffles. What you got? Oh, those sausage. No French toast? Oof. Oh no. Free. Alcohol free. Sir, one country breakfast please and Belgian waffles. Yeah. And I wasn't able to get waffle. It's finished, so I'm kind of sad. What are you having? What breakfast? What do you have there? Bacon? What else? Mushroom, I think, right? It's mushroom, right? Eat well. Wow. And I only have my country breakfast meal. And this is for me. They gave me the one extra Belgian waffle from them. Thank you, Beshi. We're good to go. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share.